friends, welcome to Healthy Cooking and Travel. Today I will share a very easy breakfast recipe, that is 5 minutes oats smoothie, which will be very helpful if you want to lose some weight, and it's a healthy choice for anyone. So let's see how to make this oats smoothie.
Before starting this video, do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell for further updates.
For making oat smoothie, we mainly need 2 cup oats. For 2%, jaggery powder is optional, 3 bananas, some dates and some chopped cashew nuts. Here I am not using any milk, so it's a gluten-free, dairy-free smoothie. Here I am using water instead of milk. Here I am using for garnishing some dark choco chips. If you want to skip that, you can skip also. Oats is low in calorie, high in protein, so it is very good for weight loss. This healthy smoothie will help you to lose some weight, and it's also very good for our health. You will not feel hungry for a longer time. The other elements whatever I have used here are really very good for our health. So along with weight loss, you can also get a very good health. And the most important thing is it's very quick. First, in a bowl I'm taking 75 gram oats. This is for 2%. Now I will soak this oats in water for 2 minutes. Why soaking oats in water is necessary? Because some people may have some digestion issue, that's why. After 2 minutes we will remove the water. Now in a mixer grinder jar I am adding this soaked oats. Now I am adding some jaggery powder, though it's optional, but jaggery is a good option as it contains vitamins and minerals. Now I am adding some chopped cashew nuts. You can add any nuts of your choice. Now I will add some dates with it. Dates are very good for constipation. Now I am adding 3 chopped bananas with it. Bananas are very good for our hair. Now I am adding water with it. The amount of water depends on your choice. Now we will start the mixer grinder. So friends, our oat smoothie is ready. It's really very quick. So before going to office, school or college, or even if you at home also, you can make this smoothie at your home, and it's very low in calorie, high in protein. It will help you in weight loss. It is very good for your overall health. For garnishing, here I am adding some dark choco chips, but this is fully optional. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family and subscribe my channel. Stay connected. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.